November 10th, 2020 practice. Casey has a total of 18 pens. 12 of these pens are blue, and the rest are red. What is the ratio of blue pens to red pens? So in this case, we need to figure out what the ratio of blue pens to red pens is. So the first thing we need to do is figure out, okay, so we have blue pens. I'm going to highlight in blue. 2 red pens, and I'll highlight that in kind of like a pinkish red. Awesome. So blue pens, 2 red pens. I'm actually going to use this circle here to show our ratios. Okay, so that's what we're comparing. So it says a total of 18 pens. 12 of these pens are blue. So it tells us here 12 of them are blue. So I'm going to do blue here. So 12 of them are blue. So first of all, what's the ratio of blue pens to red pens? Well, I know the ratio of blue pens to red pens. Blue pens, it says there's 12. And then figure out red pens. Well, it says the rest are red. So if there's 18 pens total and 12 are blue, what's 18 minus 12? Let's figure it out. So if we do 18 minus 12, because we have 18 total, and we're going to take away 12. I'm going to steal a subtraction symbol here. All right, so if I subtract here 18 minus 12, and I'm going to make a line here. All right, so 8 minus 2 is going to be 6. And then 1 minus 1 is 0. So how many red pens will there be? 6 red pens. So it would be 12 to 6. So this is what we need to figure out. Can you even see that? This is what we need, there we go, to figure out the 12 to 6. Well, what really is that? So let's try to compare. So let's have 12 to 6 be our ratios. So we're going to figure out which of the 12 to 6 is equal or equivalent to which of these fractions. So 12, just like what we did on the last slide. You can also look at it in a different way, which I will show you after. So, okay, so if we have this 12 to 6, the first one, letter A, says 1 to 2. Well, let's see 1 to 2. All right, so 12 times 2 I know is 24. Whoop, not 23, 24. 1 times 6 is 6. Is that it? No. I'm going to put that in red because I know that's not it. How about the next one? B is 2 to 1. So let's do 2 to 1. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 times 1 is 12. Yes. Let's double check the other ones though. So I know that one's one of them. There's a green. All right, now 12 to 6, let's see, 2 to 3. So if I do 2 to 3, so 2 times 6 is 12. 12 times 3 is going to be 36. That's not equal, so that's not it. Now 12 to 6 and then 3 to 2. 3 to 2. 3 to 2. I know 6 times 3 is 18. 12 times 2 is 24. So nope, that's not it either. So our answer is in fact B. Now there's another way you can look at this. So if we had our ratio of 12 to 6. So if I have 12 to 6. Whoop, I'll put it down here. If I have 12 to 6. And I want to get it to one of these. Well, if I look at 12 to 6, if I simplify this, if I divide both numerator and denominator by 6, if I divide 12 divided by 6, that's 2. If I divided 6 divided by 6, that's 1. So do you see how that's also an equivalent ratio that we could have made here? So 2 to 1 is also the same as 12 to 6. Or it's 12 divided by 6, which is 2. So 2 divided by 1 is also 2. So that's the same thing there. So you can also do it that way if you like to see it that way. But if not, you can absolutely do the butterflies. I thought the butterflies was pretty simple, but it's whichever way you prefer. As long as you get to the answer, that's all that matters. Great job.